Hey everybody, today's lab is going to be super quick because if you know what to do, you can write this code in like a minute. It doesn't take much time at all. But before I get to that, please subscribe to my channel. That would be a huge favor to me. And second of all, why am I doing actual programming questions in the name of DevOps? This is because I'm seeing a lot more um, coding interviews as part of the interview set for DevOps roles and SRE roles. It's super common now. On top of that, as a test for coding, I'm seeing a lot more of just simple programming coding being used as a way to see how well you code, right? So that because of that, I'm doing this series of Golang programming coding questions. Okay, so let's get to this. So the question is: use IOTA to define 8 constants A through H, such that A has a value of 0, B has a value of 1, C has a value of 2, and so on and so forth. So H will have value of 7. IOTA is a concept in Golang where it starts at 0 and it makes, if we have to define a whole bunch of constants, then it's super easy and super quick to give it all bunch of values at once without having to write a lot of code, right? So let's get to that. It's really a quick lab today. So package main, as always, import fmt, so we can print stuff. Main function main, where, no, that's the wrong, first of all, main, wrong, then we do this, and we print A, comma, B, comma, C, comma, D, comma, E. Maybe there's a better way to do this, but I'm going to do it the only way I know, F, G, H. Okay, we're going to print all this, but they're not defined, and we're going to define it here. Constant is like this, not like that. A equals an integer equals 0. No, not 0. You say iota. And after that, it's just typing out the, come on now, typing out the constants you want. And the compiler is smart enough to figure out what you mean. You mean start with the 0 and then increase by 1 for each one. So let's see if this works. Let's save the file and let's run the file. Voila! Hopefully this was useful to you. I will see you in the next one.